This is why you need to know about sound effect machines. Get ready for a noisy ride. Imagine your favorite superhero movie. They fly, whoosh. They land, boom. These sounds come from special machines called sound effect machines. They make funny, loud, and strange noises that bring stories to life. From synthesizers that go zap, to samplers that replay barking dogs, these machines are the real magic makers. Sound effects make games, movies, and shows super fun and exciting. So next time you hear a zoink or rumble, thank a sound effect machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.